S14 2700 110 volt string lights give off enough light to decorate your patio, your deck, your gazebo, anywhere you need to put light up. And what we're going to do is show a nighttime shot of just hanging this up down a staircase from pole to pole, giving you an idea what they look like dressing up the area. As we open up the light set, they come nicely packed. They're in a nice plastic bag, and you have the 110 volts plug right there. And they come with a remote control that you could turn the unit on. Please go over the instruction manual. It tells you about the remote control and all the features in a number of languages. The remote controller has a plastic film. Please remove it so this way the 2025 replaceable battery that's down over here ever needs to be replaced, it comes out and snaps in. These are all the features and functions of the remote control. The input is 110 to 240 volts while the output is 24 volts DC. Each of the bulbs, they have a clip on the side. They will snap on to hang anywhere you need to put. The bulbs are not replaceable, but they are shatterproof, and they are LED diodes inside that simply snap on to keep IP rated. Demonstrating the remote control, we have on, that's a flicker, and if we hit this to the negative, it stops the flickering and changes to a different mode. Mode number 2 is slow flicker. Mode number 3 is faster flicker. Mode number 4 is a double flicker. 49 feet, 20 bulbs. We're going to go over the remote control and how the unit works. We could connect up to 3 strings, 147 feet. These bulbs are shatterproof and brighter than other bulbs on the market. The bulbs are 3 times brighter as we turn the unit on. They have well over 10,000 hours of runtime for the LEDs. They are 10 to 20 more times of the tungsten life of the bulbs. With the remote control, positive and negative the modes, there are 4 modes that will light. So let's go through the modes to show you. This is solid, flicker, fast flicker, and a quick flicker. We have a brightness of 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. We have a timer of 3, 5, and timer off. When you hit the timer, that would be 3, and that would be 8, and that would be 5, and that would be off. You have the off button so you can shut it off if you like. Over here on the power supply, if you press this button, long press it, it lights up, and you can change the modes and long press it to shut off if you don't have the remote control with you. However you hang your lights up for a decoration, a fair, a birthday party, celebration, or just decorating your house. We'll show you the lights, how they look like at nighttime. We have the 110 volt LED, 2700 Kelvin. Going to turn it on. It reaches from a great distance. 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% of brightness. Now, if you want to change the mode to the maximum, you have to go through each of the steps. This is the first mode, solid. The second mode will be a slow flicker. The third mode would be a rapid flicker. And then the last mode, a double flicker. And then you have to go back into the negatives to get back to the solid of the light being on. And then if you want to have the light on for a number of hours, like we discussed before, You press it on there for the hours, or you could just simply have it cancel. These are the LED 2700 Kelvin string lights. They could be put up to 3 of them, 146-47 feet. I hope this is something that you're looking for to dress up your area. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is right for you.